YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So real quick and simple, you already know I got the length, better known as BetterLength hair. Yes, these are the clip-ins. If you have not seen my previous videos, definitely check them out. I'll be leaving my promo code below. Get you some money off of these beautiful textured lengths. But yeah, if you want this easy go-to style where you don't have to blend, keep watching and make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, because that will really be great help for me, and it will help you guys even more because my videos will keep rolling. So yeah, let's keep watching and I'll see you guys in a second.
So first, I split my hair into two, going from like ear to ear, more hair in the back, of course. And this part is optional. I made it to where I gave myself like leave out perimeter pieces just in case I wanted to throw it into a ponytail or do anything else other than what I did. But no lie, y'all, this was such a simple go-to easy hairstyle that I just left it alone. I left it alone. But if you guys do want the leave out options, I did two on each side. Well, one on each side, one on the left, one on the right, and then I did one on the back. Just really thin little pieces that can cover up if you wanted to do like a updo or just have some hair out just for safety reasons. Some people you know, want an extra layer of hair when it comes to having, you know, false hair. So I definitely understand that. But yeah, this part is definitely optional. I didn't even use it, but it was good that I had it because in the event that I needed to use it, I could. But yeah, just keep braiding. I'm a braider, so I definitely know how to braid. But if you don't know how to braid, just get somebody to do it for you, because I'm telling you, braiding for these clip-ins definitely is a lifesaver. It makes life so much easier than just, you know, trying to feed in your hair with the clip-ins, especially if you are growing your hair like I am and it's not as long as it could be. But now onto the braids. So these were not fancy smancy. They were nothing like, you see my part is jagged. No lie, I don't know how to part anyways. But I just did regular cornrows going back and just made sure all the hair was secure and out the way, because I don't want to feed in hair that I do not have to. That is a hassle. And this is honestly a no leave out type style. So feel free to not leave any hair out. So now working with the top, I separated in two first and foremost because I am doing two twists in the front. But y'all, again, my parting is real foul. So part that thing as many times as you want to, okay? As long as you're comfortable with your part, then yeah. But until you're comfortable, keep parting. Like, I don't even think I was comfortable with my part. I think it wasn't straight enough for me. But that is okay. That is definitely okay. But yeah, part that thing, girl. And now you're working with two halves. So yeah, y'all see, I did my edges off camera. You're welcome, because I already know. Y'all be like, girl, why are you struggling so much with these edges? And honestly, I just don't know. But you see that little piece right there that I took out in the back? That's just so when I twist it back, it has something to catch, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not just twisting it to the side of my head. It's going back as well. So that's one little piece. And then I do the same thing with the other side. Now I'm getting my little leave out part. It's not a leave out part because it's going to be a twist, but I'm getting my little sections together. So the section that you see furthest back is going to be actually my extra safety net braid in a sense, because you see how all my braids are going back. My hair is kind of fine, so I do need a braid going across to hold that like top clip in, if that makes sense, just so the top clip in isn't like falling backwards while I'm trying to cover it with the little twisty thingy that I have. So I'm just gonna braid this to the side, and when I put on the clip-ins, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's for me personally, I need that braid across just to secure the clip-ins a little tighter. it's just a preference thing. You don't have to do that part. I would say do it, but you don't have to. This part is really just a bunch of separation and preparation. So now I'm flat twisting the front. That's going to be the actual display that's actually being shown, like my actual style in a sense. So just flat twist. If you guys want a detailed tutorial on how to flat twist, I can definitely do that for you. Just let me know in the comments below. But yeah, just flat twist it, and then I rubber band, not the end, because if you rubber band the end, it's gonna be really loose. So I rubber band the middle little part that connects to my feeder piece, if that makes sense. And I fluff it up a little bit because, you know, I don't want no little bitty twist in the front. I want it a little fluffy, and I just do that for both. And now I'm working on my, I guess, my leave out braid. That's what we're gonna call it, a leave out braid, okay? So I'm just what am I doing? What is Shawn doing? You see, this is what would be the problem with these voiceovers, because I thought we was on the same page. I guess we're not. Why are you putting it up? Shauna, what are you doing? Oh, my G. She has a mind of her own. Oh, duh. Yeah, I totally forgot that I did not put the clip-ins yet. I'm looking at the video while I'm doing this voiceover and totally forgot. But you guys know how I am about these clip-ins. Do them the way your head wants it, if that makes sense. My head is a little small pea head, so I might put the clip-ins in a different order, as far as like 4 clip-in, 3 clip-in, 2 clip-in than you do. So don't necessarily go based off of the amount of clip-ins a person uses. That's what I was trying to do the first time I started looking at BetterLength clip-ins. I'm like, okay, so she used the 5-piece on the bottom, so I can use 5-piece on the bottom, and it did not work. Okay, so really feel your head and really just basically trial and error. Okay, it's trial and error. Just play with the clip-ins, have fun with the clip-ins, but definitely tune into the style and get in with this style, because yes, look at me, I'm so happy because, like, y'all, every time I put these clip-ins in, no lie, I feel like my hair grew back. Like, I'm just so happy when these clip-ins are in my head. Like, it's really a confidence booster, because doing this big chop, of course I recommend it, and I really do want you guys to consider big chopping if, you know, your hair is not at the healthiest, you know, you want it. But if you don't want to, that's fine too. But these clip-ins really do give me a confidence boost, because sometimes I wake up and I'm like, oh gosh, where's your hair? And it's like, it's okay, Shauna, put these clip-ins in. And that's what BetterLength is for. BetterLength is literally a confidence booster. Y'all even have to take my word for it. Y'all should, because y'all watching this video, but y'all don't have to. Like, just really check the clip-ins out yourself. Like, you guys will not be sorry. But yeah, just putting them on. I went, as I got closer to the top, I started doing the top and then filling in the middle, because I just wanted to make sure that I had the pieces that I wanted on the top. I would recommend, because I did this style more than once, so I would definitely recommend, this is my first time doing it, but the second time I did it, I put like the 3 clip, basically put a long clip going along the base, just so you won't have that. You see how I have that little gap? It wasn't a problem with the style, but I just realized that it was a lot easier when I used the clip that went along rather than the 2 pieces, because then I had a little gap right there. I covered it up, but to avoid the gap, put like a longer piece going along the thing, so then you can just outline it with your twist, if that makes sense, y'all. What the heck? Sorry. Okay, I'm back. That was just a little fireworks, y'all. But anyways, so yeah, y'all see how I did the top, and then now I'm going back to filling the middle. I don't have that much left in the middle, because BetterLength, literally one bundle takes care of the whole thing, and I didn't even use the whole thing, of course, because I have hair out in the front. But yeah, y'all, fill that in. Make sure all those pieces are make sure your hair is full but not lumpy. That's the key to it. And yeah, keep going, Shauna, keep going. This more is just like a, you know, look at me and be satisfied type process. So I'll let you guys keep looking and I'll be back. So now for my no leave out piece, I just flat twist it all the way across. So instead of splitting it up in the middle like I did in the front, I just take one side. It doesn't matter what side, whatever side feels comfortable for you while you're twisting, do that side. So this is the side I felt most comfortable with, and I just start flat twisting all the way across. Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Flat twisting all the way across, and then after I twist it, I use my handy dandy bobby pins, and I just bobby pin it basically to the clip-ins, and then the clip-ins basically hide the other clip-ins and everything is covered. So yeah, that's my video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned because y'all, I have way more styles to show.